the whelen's going off over there. Let's see if I can kind of hear it quick. Comes back around. There it is. It's over there somewhere. The siren's there. You see it spinning over there? I can't see because of the train, but if I can kind of get a shot of it, it's over there. Yeah, I see it every time the train comes. There, now you can see it. Yeah, there. You should be able to see it now quickly. There it is, that little gray spot. It's blaring right at us. That's kind of cool to watch it spinning like that. Oh, it shuts off. They're kind of cool how they sound, but here's the thing. Wouldn't it be cool to see a thunderbolt go off? Because those are much louder. Those things are blaring loud.